Any sausages?
Yes.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video of Mary Kinder. काफ़ी ऐसी मदर्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि मैं उनको अपनी डेली शेड्यूल शेयर करूं कि मैं अपने घर का काम और अपनी होम स्कूलिंग किस तरह मैनेज करती हूँ. So basically this video is for you and I am making this with all my heart and efforts. Somebody is talking about me. This puppy can be spidey. Heather, what you're talking about?
I gonna bite you. Yum 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 yum.
Oh, 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 oh.
And you just want doggy. Yeah.
We are friends. We're not fighting.
Okay.
Cute. We normally start a homeschool by 9:30 and right now it's 9 a.m. So we are actually pretty ahead on schedule. So मेरे पास अभी काफ़ी टाइम है. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं हैदर को सबसे पहले phonics start करवा दूँ and after that we'll do some handwriting and things. I like to have a list of things done so that when I am with Heather, I just want to be with him. I just want to give my 100% to him. It can be difficult juggling sometimes a bit of housework, a bit of homeschool. So I have started incorporating new rhythms and patterns and I want to update you everything. Just gonna pour myself a quick tea and then I'll show you how our mornings and day-to-day life really looks like. So I'm going to take away the old sheets now and put the new ones and make sure it's ready to go for the morning. So this is our summer reading and writing basket. The idea to have a basket and fill it with educational resources works pretty well. So I made it for the boy to make him sit, read and learn over the day. So I have a wide variety of educational resources here. I put some maths worksheets, show and tell for language arts and Urdu handwriting textbook. I'll be really honest with you people. Like it took me hours and hours to think about his attention, like how I can make him sit and how you can increase the attention span. Like I've been homeschooling for almost 2 years. So kids learn everything through play and interaction. And if your children are not able to play for length of time, then they are really not able to soak up all that information and able to build off a foundational skill, which is a pre-linguistic skill. So retaining kids' attention in homeschooling can be challenging, but there are some strategies, like try to break lessons into shorter segments to match children's attention spans. Like it's really important to praise their little achievements and stay actively involved in their learning process and provide support and guidance. So parents often ask me about homeschool resources and worksheets. You can find them on Pinterest or other educational websites. I usually create my own resources on Canva and it could easily be done on MS Word. Monday and it's Monday, Tuesday and it's Wednesday, Thursday and it's Thursday and it's Friday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
My shoe.
Oh, Heather, what happened to your chair? It's broken.
Yeah, it's broken.
Yeah, we need to fix
It's
it.
damaged as well. It's damaged.
So what are you gonna do now?
We take wheelchair. My wheelchair was like this. Here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, what is this? I have to put this here.
Okay, apply some glue here.
Okay, let's change the glue like this. And like
Okay, I think a little bit is enough.
this. Stand the best.
Yay, good job. Okay, time to paste the other leaf. Where is leaf number 2? Are you enjoying this activity?
Yes.
Yeah, there are so many bugs here. Paste it. Here you go. Hey, cutie. We'll take.
In the fridge.
Nice in the freezer. Please close it. इसको बंद कर दें प्लीज अगर.
I can see the true sun. My work is done.